Hello, I'm glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve for y, and this is called a system, and it seems a little bit complicated when we need the x and the y, but one thing we can do when we need the value for x and y in our equations is combine them, and I'll show you what I mean. If you write them like this and you combine them, 7 minus 10 gives you a negative 3, and 3y minus 3y is going to cancel out, and 2x plus x is going to give you a 3x, which means you're going to divide through by 3 on both sides, and you're going to end up with x equals a negative 1. But they want to know what y is, but I can certainly take this value and plug it in. Instead of writing x minus 3y equals 10, I'm going to write negative 1 minus 3y equals 10. Then I'm going to add 1 to both sides, and I'm going to end up with a negative 3y equals 9. Negative 9. I'm going to divide through by the negative 3, and I'm going to end up with y equals 3. Thank you. Like and subscribe.